God.
Here you go. We're out here at Vogel Farms in the Cuna area. Nice chicken there, roosters. He's a beauty. Got a nice cow over there. Some probably calf sheds there. The rabbit pens. I don't. It's the same thing now. Why are you so mad and mean? He let us pet him earlier. That goat. Oh yeah. Yeah, he said, I'm going to go over here and chew a little bit. Talk to my kid. That was kind of funny that Rooster was on that little one's back.
Yeah. We were out here the other day and he was sitting on that big one's back.
Yeah.
He didn't care.
Must like them or something. Maybe they got bonded when they were little or something. Yeah. So, boy, they drink out of that thing? Man.
Oh, you have to find it.
So, with that, I guess we're out.
You want to try mine?